What's going on, guys? Today we are doing a set of tire letters on this Mopar 11 edition of this Dodge Charger. I don't know if you've ever seen a Mopar 11 edition, but Mopar does special editions almost every year. It seems like they kind of slacked off, maybe they're not doing it anymore. But this black car with that blue stripe, it's kind of a signature of the Mopar 11. And you'll see it says Mopar design right here. All right, that's a factory badge right there. These wheels were available on some Challengers later on. I think the Heritage Edition Challengers, but they were like a gunmetal and silver kind of color. They weren't the black ones. So these black ones are for this car only. And Mopar badge on the grill. I don't know if there's any performance. I think there may be like a cold air intake that comes with this car or something like that. I'm not positive. I haven't been up close and personal with a lot of these. Come around this side, let's see. Probably one of my favorite details about this car. Check out the driver's seat. Can you see the stripe on the driver's seat? So it's like the stripe goes outside the car, but also along the interior, which is pretty cool. But anyway, we're throwing some Mopar letters on here in the Dodge Mopar font. We're also going to put the Mopar M's and the Dodge hash marks in blue. Just kind of put out the blue stripe. Should be pretty cool. So we're going to jack the car up, get the tires off, clean them up real good, and stick everything on. That's the plan. Right now, guys, we're just cleaning the wheels. You definitely got to clean these tires super good if you want the adhesive to stick for the tire letters. And so, like, these tires can't be too clean, you know, like, clean them until you can't clean anymore. After we clean them, we're going to kind of hit them with a light grit sandpaper just to kind of roughen it up. Then we'll be ready to start applying glue to our decal, you know, getting them aligned on the tire where we want them and sticking them on.
Alright guys, here I'm taking my time to get the layout correct, making sure I have all the pieces that I need and also separating them, putting them in order just to make it easier on myself when it's time to grab and go.
I'll finish laying everything out on the table, just making sure that I have all the letters and all the parts that I need. That would be a good idea for you to do that if you're charging somebody for this. Do it before you get the car. But they're usually pretty good about sending you what you request. And I already kind of looked at it at the house. I just was double checking here. So what I'm going to do is pick a location on the tire where I think they should go. So I'm placing them on the tire roundabout where they should go, or where I think they should be. And kind of getting a gauge for how wide they are, what markings on the tire I can center them on. This tire makes that fairly easy because it has a nice ridge going all the way around, and these letters are going to pretty much follow it exactly. Got Dodge on one side. Mopar on the other.
Here I'm just laying down my flex cement glue, making sure I have a nice even coat all the way to the edges. Now I'm pressing it down on the tire, holding it for 30 seconds to a minute just to make sure it's stuck.
Alright guys, as you can see, we are done with these Mopar tire letters today. It's really nice with this particular car. The blue really sets off the blue stripe on this special edition Mopar edition. These jobs are pretty simple, and they really can change the look of your car. Definitely make your sports car more aggressive looking, you know, look like it should be on the track instead of just on the streets. As you can see here, we just did Mopar on one side, Dodge on the other side. We added Mopar M's in that Mopar blue. And we also did the hash marks in the Mopar blue as well. The car is covered in pollen. It is beginning of pollen season here in Georgia, so not much we can do about that. We're going to wipe it down since we get it outside, but we just wanted you guys to get a look at these 6 tire letters. A ton of options for these. Pretty much anything you dream up, they can create it and we can install it. So if you have an idea for something that you would like on your tires, just hit us up. We'll take care of it for you. This is an in and out job. One day. Doesn't take us too long. But if you want some professional tire letters, hit us up. All right, that's it for today, guys. No more jobs. We're going to enjoy the rest of our Saturday. Thanks for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. Laced by J5, signing out.